Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you some new work order features in Fleetsoft version 11. So to start with, I'm going to open up a work order here. You'll notice the form is a little bit bigger. We've moved some of the fields from the other tab onto the front tab here. So you'll see the work order information is right here. You can see the work order type and some of these other fields without switching tabs. You'll also notice a new fault codes button here, and we covered that in another video, but essentially that is going to show you any active fault codes that are from our new Fleetsoft GPS integration module. So if they need to be addressed, you can take a look at them and take care of them right here from the work order. Another new field is going to be these fees, the work order fees. We have two new fields for the invoice fees now. Previously, there were miscellaneous fees for the work order, total service, and total parts. Now we have two new fees which are going to be based on the labor rate and the markup, so that the fee will more accurately reflect the invoice amount. So you can see here the total service fees and total part fees based off of the invoice prices. So going over to the other tab now, you can see we have a new warranty recovery group here. There's a few fields. If you want to manually track some warranty information, you can. You can put in a claim number and drop down list for type of status, and optionally put in an amount too. So now you can manually put these in and track some information about warranty for the work order. So also, if I print this out, I'll go ahead and show you the new printout. It's basically the same, but we have a barcode at the top here. So when you print it out, there'll be a way to scan in the work order number, which should take you right to the spot in the list for that work order. And we also covered the new report previewer in another video too, where we demonstrated some of the new layout features and being able to save it right to Excel or PDF, as well as email it and print it right from here. A couple more things. From the PM schedule, you can now generate a work order just by highlighting the PM schedule, and for that vehicle you just click Generate Work Order button down here. If it finds an open work order, it'll alert you, say there's already an open work order, so you can open that one, or you can have it create a new work order number too, which will create a new work order for that vehicle. Now I can fill out my meter readings. I can add the PM's due, and I can complete this work order however I want to. So same goes for the reported problems. If I'm looking at reported problems list of a driver's reported problems, or if there was defects, I can highlight the reported problem, and I can click Generate Work Order button, which will generate a work order for that vehicle code. Now if there's already an open work order, I can choose to open the existing work order or create a new one. So we'll open it, and I can add my services and parts and complete the work order that way. So you can generate work orders directly from the reported problems, as well as the preventive maintenance schedule and the reminders. If you're looking in the reminders list, we have the same buttons where if you have PMs that are due or coming due, you can highlight it and just click Generate Work Order and open existing or create a new one and complete it that way. And as well as the reported problems, if there's any incompleted problems, you can generate a work order and complete it that way. Last thing about while I'm here in the reminders, we've also added reminder intervals per service code. So now you can, previously it was one interval for the entire site, whether that's 30 days or 1,000 miles or 24 hours. Now you have the option for each service code to set a different reminder interval that you want to be reminded in advance that this service is coming due. So those are just a few of the new features in Fleetsoft version 11. Stay tuned for more videos on the new features.